Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my lovely friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video you will see I am providing you most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet knitted ideas. It's very cool and trending designs, so you can see all the designs are very amazing and outstanding. It's a sofa cover, it's a sofa cloth, and it's amazing collection. You can see all the color combination and patches are so attractive. Chair cover and chair cloths and sofa cloths. So please don't skip the video viewers, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet sofa covers and chair covers ideas. It's a very amazing collection. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and outstanding ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet sofa covers. So pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for more beautiful and outstanding looks. And thank you so much viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you some benefits of crochet sofa covers and crochet chairs and crochet patterns, cover patterns. So these are the benefits including the number one is protection. A crocheted cover can shield your sofa from spills and stains and wear and tear, extending its lifespans. The number two is style. Add a personal touch and update your living room's aesthetic, like a colorful textured and or patterned crochet covers. The third one is comfort. A sofa cover and a soft crocheted cover can provide an extra layer of comfort and easy to use, making your sofa even cozier. And the fourth one is easy maintenance. Crocheted cover can offer easy to remove and wash, making cleaning a breeze. It's a totally handmade and totally machine washable articles. And the fifth one is unique touch. A handmade crocheted cover adds a personal and unique element to your home decor. Cost effective. Crocheting your own cover can be more budget friendly than purchasing a new sofa or covers. Customization. Choose your own preference and preferred yarn, your favorite color and pattern to match your home decor and personal style. So these are the benefits of crochet sofa covers. Now viewer, I am share with you the main question in all the beginners mind: what is the crochet? Crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines involves using a hook and yarn. So these are the most amazing designs and million people love these article. It's totally relaxation and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create a fabric. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you some basic instruction and resources to get you started. Or weaver, if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience, weaver. And if you want more type of article, and if you all love these article, and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Be support me like this forever and stay tuned with me for more and more designs of crochet articles and handmade crochet design. Okay, my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.